If you think you know how to prepare the best Nigerian chicken pepper soup, just wait until you watch this video to the end. Are you craving something warm, spicy, and absolutely delicious? Then you are in for a treat. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best Nigerian chicken pepper soup, a classic Nigerian dish that is perfect for any occasion. Whether you are fighting a cold, warming up on a rainy season, or just in the mood for something flavorful, chicken pepper soup is the answer. This soup is not just a meal, it is comfort in a bowl. Now let's get cooking. Let me show you all the ingredients I'll be using. Onion, oda, pepper soup spice. I made a live video on how to make this particular mix. Please watch it. Best spices for Nigerian pepper soup and their health benefits. Here is Hiokrihio, grated garlic and ginger. You can also blend coarsely blended peppers, sliced scent leaves, chicken seasoning, salt and chicken. For the chicken, I'll be using the thigh. Feel free to use any part of chicken. You can use chicken breast. You can also use whole chicken for this pepper soup. I also have unripe plantain. I'll start by roasting the Hiokrihio over the flame. This will help bring out all the aroma from this fruit. When you do this, make sure you roast every part of this fruit. This is the first secret to making your pepper soup very, very flavorful. I'll also be doing the same with the oda. I'll go ahead and add the chicken in the pot. Then I'll go in with the roasted Hiokrihio and oda. Onion. Garlic and ginger. Peppers. Chicken seasoning and salt. And the pepper soup spice. At this point, I'll be adding little water. This will allow the chicken to properly absorb all the ingredients. If you add too much water at this point, your chicken might end up tasteless and you will end up adding too much seasoning and salt. This is the second secret to making a perfect chicken pepper soup. I'm going to cover and let it cook. Now this is looking so good. If you are new to my channel, I do appreciate you for watching this video. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly check other videos, subscribe and stay connected. I'll be adding another seasoning cube. Then more water and peppers. For me, the pepper is not enough, so I'll be adding a tablespoon of black pepper, but feel free to use the amount of pepper you can tolerate. What is pepper soup without pepper? So just feel free to add any amount of pepper your body can tolerate. Now I'm going to add the unripe plantain. Stir, cover and let it cook. Finally, I will go in with the scent leaves. And here you have it, our delicious, hearty and flavorful Nigerian chicken pepper soup. Just look at that rich broth and tender chicken. As you can see, everything about this soup is very healthy. So you are not only eating to get full, you are also eating for good health. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Let me know in the comments how yours turned out or what special twist you added to make it extra special. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on my amazing recipes. Until next time, happy cooking, enjoy!